Good evening from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. Hi, I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk about campaign 19. And notice on the front cover, it says, the real Avon, real people, real dreams, real success. And that exactly is what Avon is all about. They are helping other women and a few good men reach their dreams. And I just loved what they put on the inside cover, so I have to read it to you. It says, we are the change makers, trailblazers, risk takers, trendsetters, influencers, super moms, and trusted friends. No fashion models, only role models. For the very first time, we're celebrating 21 real Avon representatives. When you purchase from the Avon representative, you're not just buying a product, you're supporting these women and men who continue to inspire us each day. They're running their own businesses, spending more time with their family, building lifelong friendships, and realizing lifelong dreams. They're true full-time role models. And so that's my way of also saying thank you to every one of my customers and my team members. I am so blessed to have each of you on my with me doing this journey that I'm on. And I love it that I can share that with so many of you. And if you know people that would like it to be shared with, let them know too. Right now, I'm a little late compared to normal doing my video because today is National Recruiting Day, and it's what we call Share the Love. And so we are sharing love with people from all over the United States with Avon, because it's right now, today and through the 20th of August, it's $10 to join. And if you join today, which is August 16th, you will also get your name in a drawing for a suitcase, besides all the other incentives. If you like a company with incentives, brand new reps have tons of them right now. And that's another one just for today. So on with the show and telling you my show and tell of products. You know me, I love skincare, and so I couldn't figure out exactly which piece to show you. So I decided I'm going to tell you about it. Starting on page 106 to 115, all of the treatment products. And you say, what's a treatment product? It's not a daytime moisturizer or nighttime moisturizer. It's one that you put on after your cleanse before you put your day or nighttime moisturizer. So we have the clinical line erasers. We have the skin invincible. Well, that's I can also be a day and night treatment. But the exfoliating peels, the power serum, the vitamin C, the alpha hydroxy cream, the hydrofermine cream, the thermofirm, the infinite lift serum. And the infinite lift one has like a little roller ball on it, and so when you're doing it, it helps tighten your skin. The hydration mask, exfoliating one. And a lot of people, I guess I'm talking about this one because I've had different ones saying that they're new people, that their wrinkles are showing more. Have you exfoliated your skin lately? All of us need to do that because we get buildup of dead skin on our skin. And so this is kind of a fun one. It's an easy one. It's a dropper bottle. And you just put it on after your cleanse before your moisturizer, and it does the work for you. It helps exfoliate and it makes your skin come alive again. But all these products I've been telling you about, plus more, mix and match them. 2 of them for $40. That is like fantastic. And some fun jewelry. I love jewelry. This bracelet, it's one, and we have a couple different coil ones. And this one has it's like a gunmetal and silver, but there's little blue tints in the beads. But we also have one in red. And last time I showed you the one in gold. And this necklace right here matches this bracelet. And where these two are at, and those little fine detail, they have like little charms on them. Mix and match them, buy one, get one. And where this is at, they're like half price. And then another kind of fun one that's in the catalog is towards the beginning of the catalog are these fun pieces. And they call this one red, and it's kind of has like a pink stone in it, and then it's a deep, deep red, but it's almost like a purple. But we have the necklaces, as well as rings, And then we also have that same kind of designs in earrings as well. And these are gray, like a really dark gray. And they also have the necklaces too. And they're on like half price this time. So like the earrings are $9.99, the rings are $9.99, the necklaces are $9.99. And we also have stud earrings and they're $5.99. What other kind of fun things are? So I don't want to forget to tell you. Oh, and here's the picture of all those pieces of this necklace. And one of our wow products this time is the Haiku perfume. It is on sale $9.99, normally $23. So yeah, it's a fun one. Pedicure kits, manicure kits. And I want to show you this one tool. It's one of my very favorite kind of tools. And it has a rounded end on this end and then this. It is great for pushing your cuticles. And why I'm telling you about pushing your cuticles, especially do this on your toes. I helped somebody many years ago for prom, and they had never done that. And your cuticles will build up. And so to keep them healthy, and that do take time to clean your nails. So yeah, this is a nice one, $4.99. Eye serum for your brows as well as your eyes, eyebrows as well as your eyelashes. So great along your lash line at nighttime. And if you didn't see I showed it to you last time. It's just a really fine tip. There you go. Here. So it's just a fine tip, and you don't need to double dip it to put it on. It's enough for both eyes. And my new love of mascara. It's called Love at First Lash. And this is a limited time edition color, and I have the brown black on, but we have a mulberry with like a pearl, and they are introductory for $8.99. No sulfates or parabens in this mascara. So if you have an issue with mascaras, try this one. And look at this cool. It's a has pockets. See all these pockets, and then on the sides it has these, so you can put stuff in here. And the backside doesn't have one because they'll be up against the wall. It has some on here. And then it has dividers. Here, here, here. And you can take these out because they are just stuff filled in. So you can take them out and use them however you want. So if you need just bigger pockets or whatever, you can make them adjust to whatever you want. But these are mix and match. Some other things, buy one, get one half price. And remember, moisture therapy. All of those lotions, this size, it's, South usually says it's a liter. 2 of them for $18. Never, I mean, they're never that kind of price, which is like fantastic. One of my favorites. Use it every day. And you've been wanting this whole thing I just think he's so cute. Look how big this guy is. This is Herbie the Hedgehog. I am raising money to get a bunch of these for the homeless children for Christmas. Doesn't that make just a nice color? They are like so soft. And, or just to cuddle or just to play with. So if you would like to sponsor one of these for the homeless children, I greatly appreciate it. If you have any extra material laying around, I'm having my dear friend Bonnie and her mom are making totes to put these in so that when they get them, they have a tote to carry them around in. And talking about totes, I have to show you this one. I just got back from Rep Fest, and in our swag bag, when people, moon stars go to places that get swag bags with stuff in it. Well, this was our swag bag. Look, isn't that cool? It has a heart on there that says Avon. I'm going to be carrying my stuff around in this one. I just think it's gorgeous. But yeah, that was our swag bag. Always remember, if you have a $40 purchase, you can get the A box, and this is on the back cover this time. And there is some beautiful earrings, a blush, eyeliner, and some eyeliner, some brow, and a lipstick. It is an eyeliner. But look at this cool box. Oops. It comes in this cool box. We always have all these fun A boxes. And if you are just starting your Avon business, after you've sent in your first order right now, and that's Share the Love incentive, by sending in your first order, you get a couple A boxes. I don't know what's going to be, what your A box is going to be, plus some more brochures. So another incentive to do stuff. Look at these cool things. So you show you this side. And this side has, it has a elastic there, and it also has a zipper on this side, and it has some nice detail in here. And it even comes in big sizes for us to get a good understanding. But I'm so excited about that. And they just have a little, just not a humongous heel. So it's going to be great. I haven't tried mine yet, but I'm excited to do that because I just got them in. So I know if I wear them, me, great choice. Oh, talking about showing stuff. This top that I have on, I was going to bring that dress. It was in last night's catalog. I saw a lot of people wearing it at Rep Fest. In the catalog, it shows it down here on your shoulders. And I'm one of those that I'm a little too old to be wearing it way down here. But it can be up. And in the tag, it says to gentle wash, tumble dry below. I would suggest, and then also they ran a little big, but I did what it said on the directions. Came out perfect size for me now. It was a little big. I thought, oh, it's fine. But next time I will line dry it. So yeah, I think it's gorgeous. So it has so many fun colors in it. And I wore this necklace has oranges and stuff in it. Bring out some of the orange in the that. And I'm just going to show you the dress that I got. There's that bright blue one. I'm tall, so I put some leggings, I'm assuming capri leggings underneath it because it was a little too short for me, especially. I mean, if I was a young one, maybe. But look at this fun jacket. I have been wanting a new jacket with a zipper, and this one also has a side pocket. And it's just super, super soft, and it has a little bit of a lining, but it's not too overly bearing. So it's going to be the perfect jacket for fall. It'll dress up any kind of outfit. I used to have one like this, but I wore it. And so I got pretty much worn out. And we have skirts. And this skirt, right, that shows you, it has an elastic band, but it also has a zipper on it. A zipper down the back. And it comes to the corner here. Out to here. So it's just like partway down. And what's kind of fun about this one, notice how the bottom is. It has this nice little flare on it. And it's kind of a suede kind of feel of the fabric. It's really soft. Just got it in, so you can try it on. And one more thing. It says Cafe Society, and it's just kind of a fun t-shirt. And this one is kind of angled off. It's not like straight up and down, so it has a little bit of flare to it. And Aspira. I took my plant power protein with me to Rep Fest, and it's just perfect to have I have breakfast every day. But I take a lot of the different Aspira products. So if you're wanting to try something in the Aspira line and I do have samples of some of the products, and I can get you the labels of any of the products. In fact, I even taught the Avon people where to find the label because we just got a new computer system. It's called Avon 2.0. So we're still maneuvering that, and I know we're going to find all that in there. So do try Aspira. It's really good quality stuff. This other thing that I want to show you is our little makeup sponges. These are the best. If you're doing a contouring stick, they're great for patting around your eyes and blending that in. I use it also around the nose. It has a little point on it. And when you need to wash this, if you use it for a while and you haven't washed it, just put it in water and it'll soak up the water, and then put it in I put it in just a little bubble of our Avon bubbles in the water, and just keep squishing it until it runs clean, and it's good for a while. But every once in a while you should replace it. So thanks much. Have a great one. Face Winston, Avon Products and Independent Sales National Recruiter. Oh, yeah, sales flyers. And we also have campaigns 17 and 18 in the